guys, welcome to another video. Let me fix y'all real quick. I don't know why it's looking like this. Okay, so just want to shout out the Black husband for keeping me laced in the Embrace Your Legacy. This is the actual sweatshirt. I think this is a size medium, but this is how it fits. Again, you don't have to be a Black husband to purchase the merchandise. This is how it looks on me. So it's kind of like a perfect fit, and I got dressed today, y'all. So it's kind of like a perfect fit. So if you're new here, I'm your girl D that loves all things on sale. Right now we are doing a Black Friday sale, and I think it's still going on. So I'm gonna just go ahead and shoot y'all this code, and if you use it, it works. All right, you know. So the code is legacy. So the website is www.theblackhusband.com. Definitely go check us out over there. If you're not familiar with the movement, it is a page that my husband started maybe about 5.5 years ago when we were looking for engagement pictures. All he seen was people that did not look like him, and so he wanted to change the narrative of, you know, Black people being happy, being married, supporting their community. And we have so much more on this movement. So definitely follow the Black husband Instagram. So now in today's video, I am showing you guys how to style your vintage blazers. Now you guys have already seen that I went to the Goodwill and I found this blazer here. So let me show y'all how the actual blazer looks first. If you haven't already seen my videos, I'm just gonna go ahead and give you like a quick snap view of the actual blazer. So let me show y'all that. All right, so I grabbed the blazer here. This is how the blazer looks here. And I think Tracy, I think you said that this material is nylon. The material, it doesn't say on this right here what type of material it is. It says that it's a petite 5'4" and under, and it says do not bleach, tumble dry low, use cool iron. It's 75% polyester and then 25% rayon. So I guess that's the material. Okay, so this is the actual blazer that I'm going to be styling for you guys today. As you can see, it's a teal blazer, and then it has the the little cloth inside here. Now this cloth, it is, you can put it on a button here, so you can actually take this off if you do not want to wear it. It has buttons right here. I would say that this is meant to be like a mid-arm here. Again, this is petite, so it's not going to be a long cut arm here. It does have shoulder pads, which I love shoulder pads. Shoulder pads. And then this is the back here. Again, it's not long at all, and I guess that's where the petite is coming from. So this is how it looks. And then we have the gold buttons here on it. So there's 2 gold buttons, and then there's you can button the gold buttons that way as well. And yeah, we're just gonna get into it, how I actually styled this blazer right now. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and get into the looks here. Okay, so first up, we have what I want to call a button up, tie it in the front and go. Okay, so this is another way that you can complement the blazer. Now I noted this on my last video, but just in case you're new here, I always tend to pull my sleeves over my blazer so it'll give it another look. This is exactly what I wanted to give it. Now the distress shorts here, that gave it the relaxed look that I was going for. That is how I was able to pair it up with my Air Force Ones. Stomping in my Air Force Ones. Stomping in my Air Force Ones. Y'all, these shoes are so heavy. Like, am I the only one that thinks Air Force Ones are heavy? Oh my god, I hate tennis shoes anyway. But okay, no, let's get back into the look. Okay, so this was a relaxed look here. My collar is popped, if people pop their collar. My collar is popped, and it complements the actual blazer here. So you don't even, it doesn't even look like a vintage blazer. It just looks like it just goes with the outfit, you know. So I was able to relax this fit with just pulling that, my long sleeve white shirt, pulling it over the petite arms on the blazer, tying up my shirt, putting my distress shorts on, and we're rolling. We're ready to go shopping at the mall. We're ready to go on a lunch date. Alright, so since I had this white shirt on, this button-up white shirt, I want you guys to see how I paired it with the white jeans. Yes, to separate the white on white, I buttoned the blazer this time. So in my last one, you seen it was like loose, you know, you couldn't really see the buttons. This one, I wanted to get into the gold buttons on this one. As you can see, the gold buttons are just so pretty. They're just out there. That tint of gold is just really amazing. I wanted to show that gold in this outfit. I kept my sleeves still folded on the blazer, and I paired it with some white jeans. Now all of these things are things that I have in my closet already. You have to make sure that you can roll with what you have in your closet. That's very important here. We don't want to go buy anything new. We want to pair our vintage blazers with things that we already have in our closet. And this was a compliment to the blazer, like chef kiss. How the white on white and then that pop of color, that blazer gives it a pop of color. The shoes I have on is clear. My bag that I wanted to match with this was also clear. So it was kind of like, you know, I'm feeling the vibes. This is like a date night. This is like if I have like a social to go out with, girls night, drinks, you know. This is just an outfit for anything, actually a business meeting, you know. Let's get into it. This was a vintage dress. So if you guys want to go back and look at that vintage dress that I purchased with this belt, I paired it up with this. It actually came with a dress. And so I paired it up with this blazer, and I turned the blazer backwards because, you know, I had my little piece in the middle. So I paired it with my pink pants that you guys have already seen. And I added some high heels on here, and then I just paired it, you know, switched the blazer backwards. You know what I mean? Because we wearing this blazer. All the styles, we're going to get all the styles that we can out of this blazer. And the arms, you can always pull up the arms. I think this turned out really good. When I turn around, you'll see that when I turn around, the middle piece that's already in the blazer, you can see that on the back. Okay, so this is a little different. This is a little different. Now this is, you know, I'm hanging out on the beach. I just need some layers just to throw over my arms, you know. I know whenever we go traveling at nighttime, it can get a little cold. So this is just your, you know, we're gonna switch it up a little bit. You know, we're gonna keep it casual, right? And then we're gonna overlay this blazer onto this outfit here, right? Because the wind, when the wind blows, right, it's gonna blow, hit your chest. It's gonna blow, it's gonna hit your stomach. Blow, it's gonna hit your legs. But what it won't hit is these arms. Okay, you see, did y'all get that? All right, so this is my favorite one. You guys will comment on the ones that you guys like the most in the comment section, but this one is actually my favorite one. This dress this is a button-up dress, and it's like an abstract type of dress. Love this dress. I purchased this off of Amazon, so go to my Amazon storefront if you are interested in buying this dress here. So I layered it again. What you want to do is pull the sleeves out, fold it over the blazer, for it to complement the blazer how you want to. Now these sleeves that are on this button-up dress, they're kind of funky, so I knew right when I seen this dress in my closet that I wanted to pair it with this blazer. Now I also have these earrings that I love. Oh my god, I love these earrings. These pair so good together. Like, I don't even care if it's matchy match. You're gonna get the vibes. You're gonna get the vibes from this. This is like a Miami tropical type of vibes. You know, like I'm giving it to you, like date night, like, you know, late night date night. You know what I mean? Do you see me here? Yes. So this is like a dinner. Anywhere you want to go. I mean, you don't really need an occasion to just dress up. Look, I could be picking up some tacos from the store and I want to put on this. This is what I'm going to put. I could even wear this at a nightclub. You know what I mean? Like, wear your clothes, guys. Wear your clothes. And so you guys, you see the shoes that I paired it with? Y'all seen these shoes before. If you haven't, go back. Y'all gotta catch up. If y'all haven't, go back and see when I purchased these shoes. I love the way the shoes just complement everything. I just love this outfit. Alright, on to the next one. So I think that this would be like a great look for a banquet or something of that sort. I still have the same earrings on. It's a silky type of dress. I actually purchased this dress from Ross long time ago. I don't even think I ever wore this dress. I love the material. It's really lightweight. I also paired it with a thrift bag that I thrifted in Seattle. And this color is not even any of the colors that I have on. And I like to do that sometimes. Sometimes you just need a balance of all type of colors. I'm not afraid to get colorful, and you shouldn't either. And that's why I paired it with this actual purse, just to show you how you don't have to be matching. This is just a t-shirt, the first t-shirt that I've seen in my closet, because again, we're not buying anything to pair this blazer. These are all things in my closet that I already have. And so I paired it with my Cheetos. Y'all, I love Cheetos. I don't eat them all the time. They're not the healthiest thing for you to eat, but y'all, I love Cheetos. Okay, so you know, my birthday coming up, you know, you want to buy me some Cheetos, you know, send me some Cheeto money, you know. But I had this is, okay, so you don't always have to wear your blazers through the arms. This was I wanted to show you guys a style where you don't actually have to wear your blazer through the arm piece. You could just wear it over your shoulders. And I wanted to get something like a dress that was like loud, so it could add like a pop of color, because this blazer just gives me pop. You know, it pops, you know what I mean? So you don't really have to do much for this blazer to pop. As you can see, I matched it with my cheetah print, leopard print. I'm not sure. I'm not a animal scientist or whatever, but y'all get the print right there. And so I paired it with that, and I think it looks really amazing. I can wear high heels with this, or I can wear sandals. Just for video purposes, you will see me in my flip-flops. But again, like, I feel like the style here, it just was to show you that you can wear your blazers off your shoulder. They don't always have to be oversized for you to wear them off your shoulders. I love the way that this turned out. Again, I like to dress in layers because I get cold. So the arms, you got to protect the arms at all costs. Yeah, you just got to protect them. Y'all,
this next outfit is, okay, this is my favorite, and then the button-up dress is my favorite, my second favorite. I like all of them. Okay, so this pink is shorts. You know, I don't know if I'm telling my age, but we used to call these skirts. I hope I'm not telling my age. But again, on this style, this particular style, I wore the blazer backwards. Again, you can wear your blazers backwards to add another style to your blazer, especially this one that had the material in the front. This time, instead of being on the front, it's gonna go in the back. I thought that this was really cute because these shorts here, they are high-waisted, so I love the way, like, this is my party, let's go out. Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed how to style your vintage blazers. Again, I am your girls D, who loves all things on sale. Don't forget to come back to my channel, click the notification bell, because I'm going to be dropping a whole lot of content. If you enjoy my thrifting videos, leave it in the comment section. Let's talk thrift, y'all. Like, let's get active here. Thank you guys for everyone that supports me, follows me, comment, like, share. I appreciate you guys. I will see you guys because I am hungry right now and I'm going to get something to eat. So peace.